Hello, I'm Kitty Black Dragon, and today we are making a kid's throw blanket. First, you start out by laying out the fabric. Cut it down to size 48 inches by 46 inches. So you know, I did 2 blankets at the same time, so you see them both in here. Now take the batting, lay it out, and cut it to size. Now lay the fabric we just cut on top of the batting, cut off the excess fabric, and pin them together. Flip them over so that the batting is facing up, and begin laying out the fabric in curvy patterns. For a list of materials used, please see the description. Once the fabric is fully laid out, go around and pin all the edges to each other, not the batting or back of the fabric. Set up your machine for a zigzag stitch and sew along the edges of the fabric. Make sure you get all the edges. Next, lay out the bottom and batting side up, and then lay the curvy sewn top down. Then pin along the edges and pin 3 lines evenly from one end to the other in both directions. It will look kind of like a hashtag. Using a regular stitch, sew down along the 6 lines you created with the pins to stitch the top, batting, and bottom fabrics together. Do keep an eye on your bobbin. If it runs out while you're stitching, you're going to have to redo it. Next, draw out a pattern for the trim around the blanket. I wanted a 1-inch trim by 6 inches. So I made a pattern 3¼ inches long by 7¼ inches. This includes a 5/8 seam around all edges. Then cut it out and cut 7 pieces out of each color you are using. I used 4 colors, so I did 7 pieces. That's 28 pieces, so divide 28 pieces into however many colors you have. Sew the trim strips short side together. Alternate colors as you go. Take the strip, open up each seam, and iron them flat. Now fold down a 5/8 inch seam along the edge and press with the iron. Last, fold the strip in half and iron it. Take one edge of the long ribbon you just created and open it up. Take a corner of the blanket, slip the ribbon over the raw edges, hiding them with either side of the ribbon. Pin it down and do this all the way around the blanket. Last step, sew down the ribbon you pinned on to the blanket. I suggest a 1/4 inch from the edge of the ribbon. The blanket is now finished. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more to come. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Stay crafting.